Hey guys, what I got here today is a 42-inch Hampton Bay landmark from September of 2001. Very interesting date on it. I picked this up at my restore a couple weeks ago when I was hanging out with WeFire. This was here, and honestly, it was in really good shape, and part of me is starting to realize it's getting harder to find these 42-inch landmarks. And there's always some part of me that really liked this fan, and I'm not sure why. I think it's just the contemporary design and whatnot. Anyway, let's get it going, shall we? So like I said, this fan is from 2001, and overall, this is in really good shape. If your typical Hampton Bay blade sag, though, but the landmark always struck me as one of those Hampton Bays that was actually a lot better made than some of its fellow fans, like the Huntington and fans like that. In fact, I would argue that this was probably one of the best Hampton Bays that was being made at the time. So this came without a down rod, so right now it's close mounted. I would like to get a down rod for this fan. That will be a piece of cake. And I have this hanging here because the next fan you'll see in the video, or my new fan I'll show you in the next video, almost collided with the Four Seasons that was here, so I had to do a quick replacement. So, as you can see, this would be a period correct upgrade. Well, saying a landmark is an upgrade from a Four Seasons is definitely a stretch. But and honestly, it's flat out false. But you'll understand once you see what that fan is. Low speed is actually pretty good. I'm getting a decent amount of airflow from it. Direct breeze, not so much, but spreading the air does a pretty good job of that. For a close-mounted 42-inch fan, that's actually pretty good. There is a buzz to the fan, and it's not because of the globes. It's because of one of the light bulbs. Hold it shut. Well, this light bulb today, interesting. Probably because they're just cheap LEDs I threw in there. Medium speed is pretty fast on this fan. It's not too different from high. You can hear there is some motor noise though, and a globe rattle. But that's to be expected when you buy a Hampton Bay fan. It's all part of the charm, so to speak. Jump up to high here. Yeah, it was a very minimal change. The bearings are silent though, which is really surprising. That's a good breeze. If it ran silently, I'd argue that this would be a good fan for my bedroom, but it doesn't. That noise would bother me just a little too much. That's a very good breeze. It's actually doing a good job of spreading the air. So like I said, I have wanted one of these 42-inch landmarks for quite a while now. I wanted it in antique brass more than the white finish, but because I got this for practically nothing, I figured why not? Because like I said, it is getting harder to find these because people price gouge the heck out of these things. And I have to be honest, I like the 42-inch a lot more than the 52-inch. Spin down. And I've always liked the landmark because it's like slightly modern take on a classic like 80s GE vent fan. They make it a little more contemporary for the 2000s. And I say modern, this fan is now 25 years old, so hopefully you guys are sitting down when I said that. Spin down is rather quick on this fan, I have to admit. It's not great. I've only had it up for about a day, though, and I have had it running, so it is nice and warm now. And speaking of warm, right now it's almost 50 degrees outside, which is great because it means spring is right around the corner. And I've seen these everywhere as a kid. This is one of the only fans I've seen a lot. I never acknowledged it till I started collecting, of course, but yeah. I mean, that's not too bad. I think that's actually better than when I tested it the other time. 0 to high. Yeah, the capacitor seems rather healthy too. I'm pretty impressed. This was well taken care of. Or based on that sag, it may not have actually been turned on since 2001 when it was installed. But yeah. But anyway, there you have it. The 42-inch Hampton Bay Landmark. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.